In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send invitation emails to your gallery visitors. So to get started, we're going to go into Photos, Galleries. From the Galleries page, we're going to click on the Views link, or we can select Visitors, View Add Emails. On this page, it shows you all the visitors that have come to the gallery so far, or if you don't have any email addresses associated with the gallery, you can come to this area here and enter your client's email addresses from here. Click Add Email, and that adds it to your list. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. And now if we want to send an invitation email to these people, we can either select all of them at once by clicking this box at the top, or we can select them individually if we just want to send to a certain few. Once we've selected our visitors, we're going to click Email Selected Visitors. And from here we can give a subject for the email, and then we select which email type we want to send to our clients. The items at the top here are global email templates, and the items at the bottom are custom email templates. All the different templates can be modified and added to through the Marketing, Email Templates page. So once we've selected our template to send, we can either preview the email or send it. If we click Preview Email, it'll show us what the email will look like to our clients. Once we're satisfied with it, we can click Send Email, and it'll send that email to the number of visitors indicated in this area here. And that's all there is to sending a gallery invitation email to your clients. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.